Hi, welcome back to the video tutorial about the PowerPoint presentations. So this is the third day of our tutorial, and so far we have discussed file tab and home tab. Still we have some more topics left on home tab. So let's discuss about the font section now, which is coming under the home tab. Okay. So guys, let's start the tutorial. You can see in the desktop I have put PowerPoint tutorial day 3. We are going to study the font section, this part, using this box of words, PowerPoint tutorial day 3. So first of all, let's see the fonts. We have number of theme fonts available here. You can see Calibri Light, Calibri, Harani, a number of other types of fonts. You can see the changes as well. When we just drag on the top of it, you can see the changes. When I go to Arial Black, it's changed. You have maybe more than hundreds of formats available, themes of fonts. So let's go with Aharoni for an example. So this is called font section. So I want to change it to Arial Narrow, this one. You can see the font is changed. Okay, so the next one, it's size. We have number of ways to change the size. We can directly give a number. I want to make it 30, it's changed to 30. For example, I give 100, it's changed to 100. And for us to make it quickly, they have given a number of sizes already with the gaps, with some intervals. So we choose 72, it will be like this. And this one, it's used for increasing size to the next level, 72 to 80, 80 to 88, 88 to 96, 96 to 115, 138, like this. This one, it will reduce. You can see 70 to 66, 66 to 60, 54, 48. So this is for increasing and decreasing the sizes, which will be listed as per this table. Okay. So the next one, it's bold. You can see that it's already looks like bolded. It's because of Haroni, it's like that. Let's go with the Calibri Light. Okay, so I click on Calibri Light, I put bold. You can see the changes happening. It's bolded. Also you can press Ctrl B, so it will change. For I'm pressing Ctrl B now. Yeah, it's changed. When you press Ctrl B again, it's gone to the previous. When you click on I, this is italics. You can also go with Ctrl L. Okay, and this one, underlining, Ctrl U. When you press on Ctrl U, now I'm pressing Ctrl U, it's changed it to the previous state. You can together apply all of them, and you can change one of them if you want. This is adding shadow to the text. You can see the changes happening there. PowerPoint tutorial, a shadow is added here. Okay, let's remove all this and go with the strike through. This one to cross middle of this one. We can cross something out by drawing line through it. That's the explanation it says. And this one, let's remove the strike through. When you click two times, it's removed. And click on this one, you can see the spacing between the, when you go with very tight, the space between two letters is very small. When you go with the tight, a little more. Normal, it's normal case. Loose, a little loose. Very loose means add more spacing between the letters. You can also go to the more spacing and put here, so it will change correspondingly. And this one, it's casing the letters. We know uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, the same function. Sentence case means only the first letter of a word will be capital. You can see in the word only the first P is capital, all other turns to the small letter. Lowercase means everything will be small, all letters. Uppercase, every single letter will be capital. Capitalize each word means the first letter will be capital. You can see P, P, T, D is capital here. Only the first letter of the word. And here, toggle case means the just opposite of the capitalize each words. The first letter of the word will be small letter. Okay. And this one, its color section is very important. When you click on the right side, you can choose the number of colors. I have got a lot of colors here. You can choose one of them. When you go top of it, drag top of it, it will show the in the display the changes happening. I'm gonna go with the red now to show that one. Okay, and I put bold, I'll make it a bigger one to see the changes. And also you can go with the more colors. Here you have number of colors. It's something like what we have seen in the paints. If you know the paint, this one, it will be very simple parts. You can also go to RGB, you can give this one, and you can see the display here. What are the changes? Okay, so that is about the color, and I'm gonna go to red. This one, it's clearing all format in one click. You can see when I click on it, everything is gone, and it's gone to the default format. Okay, this is the what I have seen. I just made undo. Now let's discuss this part in the home section. This part. Okay, for this one I need here you can see I have made some tab already. This is called bulleting and numbering. This is specifically bullets. I have already made some bullet. Let's make. When you click on the next one, it automatically creates. Insert. You can see that when I click on it, automatically inserted. And we can change the type of bullet here. You want to select it outside, then only it will be applicable. Otherwise, it will not be applicable, because when you click on it, the next one will be changed, not the one we have already there. And we have also bullets and numbering. You can choose the bullet color. You can see the changes happened. I click on it, it's changed to red. Okay, so that's one option. Numbering options are there already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go with this one. You can see the number is changed. And also you can start at a specific number. At this point, 2, 3, 4, whatever number you can give it there. Okay, so that's about the. Well, let me show you the example here. What I will type here. Okay, insert, tab, design, tab. So you can see that's already there. How we can remove this one? We have option to remove. Just go here, remove this. If you want to number it, we get over here, and when we choose none, everything is gone and it is becoming normal. Now bullets and numbering. Okay, and this one is the alignment. These three portions are alignments, and this one it's justification. Okay, this one it's left. When you click on this one, it will be going to the middle. You can see this is the box. So when you click on it, it will go to the middle of the box, and when you click here, it will be going to the right side. Here you have justification option, justify low, justify. Okay, this one it will be helpful when we have a bigger description or something, so it will justify the example. Same like in the Word. I think most of the people, this one justification they have used in the Word. Okay, this one it's left to direction of the words. Left to right is this format. When you click on it, you can see that it's right to left. I will come here, we will come here, and it's on the right side. This is the direction of the letter. Left to right means normal. And you have also, you can see this example when we have, we can see that the changes. I just typed something randomly, okay, just to show you this one. So this is 2-column method. When you go with the 3 columns, there are going to be no changes because you don't have that much. When we add more, we can go with it. 1 column means only 1 column. 2 column means the next it will go to 2 column. As an example, I'm going to show you. Let's make it smaller. You can see it's turned to 2 column. Again, I'm going to change it. So still it's reduce the size. You can see that it's reduce the size, but it does not remove. So I'm going to go with the 3 columns. You can see the changes happened. File tab. You can see how the changes happened here. So this is what is columns, making columns. You can add more columns if you want. Now at present we have 3. 2 will be better. Spacing, we can add spacing between them. can see 2 columns, and I have added spacing between the 2 columns. You can see the changes. You can see it came to near. So this is called spacing between the columns. It's about increased list level and decreased list level. Okay, this one, it is increasing the list level, intent level. For example, we have a subcategory under the file tab. So this one, it will be adding us to subsections. You can see when I click here, I press here, and I put something random. So this, all of them is coming, what I have typed here. It doesn't have any meaning, but I'm showing something. So the file tab, you can see that this, all of this section, it's going under the file tab. You get my point? And also when I go here, I'm selecting all these 3 and I choose this one, you can see I have chosen a different numbering. So this is what does it mean by the increasing intent level. Okay, now let's remove this too, and let home tab go to the then level, and let's number it. So it's a preview format. I think you have understood what does it mean actually. And this one, it's lane spacing option. We have number of lane spacing option. This is the spacing between the 2 lanes. You can see 1.0 less, 1.5 more, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. For better understanding, let's make it a 3 column. Okay. Oh, yeah, see the changes. I made it 3 column, but the spacing between them, it's very big. So that is why it's gone like this. Let us go here. Okay, this is cool. So when we go for spacing between them, you can see the space between 2 adjacent lanes is increased. We also have line spacing options. You can choose here, before text spacing, before and after. Let's see, 6 point here. You can see the spacing is added between this one. Line spacing option. You can also align here, alignment left, centered, right, justified, distributed, justify, low. Number of options are there. It's gone to the middle of the box. Let's remove this to 1 column, and I want to remove all of them to here. Indenting option. Now let us see. In spacing options, can add before text how much we need spacing between the lanes. Okay, now we have text all those sections except text direction. This is changing, rotating the text. You can see horizontal is normal one, rotate all 90 degree. It will turn this to 90 degree to the right, to 70 degree, 90 degree to the left. Stacked means much like random, stacking like cards or something. So this is not we normally use, so we just go with the horizontal, and we still have more options if you want to make additional changes. Okay, and here align text, aligning to top, middle, bottom. You can see the changes happening. Top, middle, it's onto the middle of the page. Align text, bottom, it's gone to the bottom tab. Okay, so let's go with the default top option. Also we can convert it to smart arts like this. You can see the changes happened. It's a very good option when we have made the columns, and when we want to make it some type of smart art. This is very useful. You can see that the changes happening. All of them, it's pre-built methods, pre-built smart arts are given already. So this is about that section, guys. In the next section we can finish this part, which will be normally about inserting the circles, rectangles, So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep subscribed. Bye bye.